Good morning everybody. Today I have an unboxing video for you, and this is from Beebeecraft.com. In the past I have received things from Beebeecraft. I absolutely love their products. I don't think there's ever been anything that I haven't been happy with that I've received from them, and so I'm excited to show you what I've got today. I've just opened the package, but I haven't gone through it yet. I've just cut the end off. So we'll just take it as it comes out. And the first thing I ordered were these beautiful velvet ribbons. Aren't they lovely? Just let me take them out of the bag. Okay, look at all these glorious ribbons. There are 30 different coloured ribbons in this pack. And just let me, I'm not quite sure what the width of it is. I think there it's approximately 1 centimetre ribbon, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, just under half an inch, we'll say. Ribbon. Aren't they just lovely? And it's a one-sided velvet ribbon, and they're not too thick, which is nice because when it comes to bow making and things, it will make it much easier to tie a bow in it with it not being too thick. Oh, I love them. I think they're wonderful. There's just something about velvet that is very, very pleasing, isn't it? They've got a luxury to them. Look at all the beautiful colours, though. I'll just pick them up and let you see the lovely colours. And that one's very close in colour, but you can see a subtle difference there. One's more mauve. Look at the brown. Just beautiful, the different shades. And the greens, different greens. There. Oh, aren't they lovely? And blues. Some different blues. We have lots of pinks, which is lovely, isn't it? Isn't that pretty, that one there as well? Different colour pinks. There's the reds. We have a purple and a yellow. Look, there's another pink one. Oh, that's like a ballet pink, isn't it? Beautiful. We have the greys. And that one's like a cream, and there we go. We have those two, and then we have, that's actually a blue. It's a very dark navy blue, and that one looks like it is as well. And then we have black. You can just see that, you can see the difference from the black. So absolutely lovely. I love those. They're wonderful. I'll be able to make bows till my heart's content, won't I? Okay, let's see what else we have. Oh, wow. These are what we all love to use. Bulb pins. And they come in 4 different colours. You've got the gold. You've got it's like an antique silver. They're like a gunmetal grey, a dark grey, and then there's black. Aren't they wonderful? I like the colour of the silver. So there's 4 different colours there. That one's really nice as well. It's like it's not quite as dark as the black. Yeah, it's really nice. And there's quite a lot in there. We'll have to put on the screen how many are in there in each of the packs, but it comes as a set of 4. So wonderful. And they're always getting used, always. Okay, and the next thing I have is a paper pack. It's called Fragments. So let's have a little look in here. They feel really nice. So let's have a look. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 it looks like of each pattern. So that's the first one. This lovely pink one as well. It's got botanics on it. They've both got botanicals on them, which is really nice. Oh, isn't that nice? That's lovely. So we have 5 of those. And then there's, oh, look at that. Oh, that's really nice, isn't it? I don't know. Let me see how many you get. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you get 5 vellum sheets of each design as well. So that one is the same as that one. There. Can you see that? Goes straight over the top. Oh, isn't that lovely? So you get the 3 different designs, and then you get in 5 sheets of 3 different designs, and then 5 vellum sheets of that same design. So that is the fern. 2, 3, 4. 5. So that's that one there, and then you get them of that one there. That's lovely. They're so nice, aren't they? Beautiful. They'll be so good for journal making and collaging and things like that. So very, very nice. Very nice. Okay, the next thing I asked for was a set of washi tapes. I'll just move those back a little bit. Come on, hands. You can do it. Okay. And so there are 4 different washi tapes in this collection, and they're so pretty. They've all got a bit of the gold on them. Oh, isn't that lovely? Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I do like that. Oh, isn't that beautiful? There we go. Oh, it's not like a... Is it? Hang on, I'm going to have to... Does the back come off of it, or... Or it's just paper that you glue on? I'm not quite sure. Maybe it's just a paper that you glue on. I thought it was washi tape. Oh, it is tape. Look, see? There, it came off. And it is, because it's translucent, so it is a washi tape. It's very sticky, so it shouldn't have any problem sticking on paper, which is lovely. Okay, I will keep that in the box because we know they unravel a bit if you don't. Oh, that's lovely, isn't it? I love that design. It's just so pretty. Did I show you it? Look, isn't it beautiful? It's got blues in it, blue and gold. Very, very nice. I'll have to get the end and stick that out. So there's those ones. I showed you that one. Lovely rose design. And then there's this pretty one here. I think it's got pink tones to it. It does, it's lovely. Isn't that pretty? Just let me stretch it out. It's just a bit easier to see the design if you pull it out a bit. So pretty. Really lovely. Okay. I'll put that in later. And then there's this one. Oh, and this one's got like a, what do they call that? There we go. It's a little bit more colourful, isn't it? That one. Very pretty. Be nice for fairy books and things that are really colourful, wouldn't it? It's lovely. All very, very lovely. I think my favourites would have to be these two. And this gold one would be lovely to use. So they're wonderful. And then, lastly, I ordered a kit, a little kit. I think it's an earring or jewellery making kit. Just let's open this up. Everything comes very well packaged. I thought this would be fun. I really did. I thought this would be a lot of fun. It's got the beautiful little pom-poms in it. Look at these. Oh, they're so sweet. Look at those. But they've already got the little loops on them. So how lovely. It's like a faux fur rather than a pom-pom, sorry. For little dangle charms and things like that on journals and things. I just think they'll be a lot of fun. And they come in some beautiful colours. There's navy blue, black, brown, this coral, dark coral colour, pink, darker pink, white. It's just lovely, isn't it? And this beigey colour as well, and black. Oh, that's going to be fun. And then with it, you also get some earring hooks, like that. And they have gold loops on them. You get some little jump rings. But you also get some silver jump rings and the keychain part. Like that. I'm just... And you know, they are gold. A couple of them are like a tarnished gold. But I don't think that matters. It's just gold, but like you could always have like a little permanent ink, you know, and recolor it a little bit if you wanted a perfect match. I think these are so cute. So cute. And the fact that they've got the little loop on the top is extra handy, isn't it? That you could make a lovely little keychain. But I have a nice little project in mind for this. So over the next couple of weeks, I will be making a couple of projects with these lovely items from Beebeecraft. I will have a discount code in the description box below for anybody who's interested or who would like to purchase any of these items. Like I said, I've always been very happy with products I've received from Beebeecraft. They really do sell some very, very good products in their store. So there we go, and let's not forget the wonderful bulb pins as well. So take care, everybody, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.